Ano ko? What if naka-on na?
Santos? Wala nga eh.
Oh, wala
Hindi na
nga.
huli.
Huwag
Pero
nang pilitin.
ano, I suggest Santos. Wala nga eh. Kaya nga nagtataka ko, when I sorted the papers, kukunti lang. Sabi ko, bakit kaya kukunti
Stop
lang to?
complaining.
Tapos chinek ko na at the same time and I
Wala
also
talaga.
sorted. Hindi naman ko.
Huwag mo na, Chong. Sumali ka nga dito pag sabihan mo.
Isa ko yun eh.
Baka
Pero I
na
will
ako.
see. Pagka wala talaga, sasabihin ko sa inyo. Ano, ito nga oh, marami to. Yung sa ano, almost lahat sila nagsabihin kahapon. Ito sa...
M2 yan.
Excuse me po.
Yes.
Nakapagpata din po ako ng
Kaya nga, what I am
Ma'am,
telling you
excuse
is,
me
I
po.
don't have those copies. Hindi ko lang kung saan napunta. Wala namang mapupuntahan yun kasi I put everything in the black and white bag that I always bring with me.
O,
So
diba?
tapos pagdating sa faculty, sinusort ko na, binabandal ko nga. So ngayon, titingnan ko, baka naipit eh. Pero ang dami naman noon para maipit, di ba?
Oo nga.
Sobrang dami.
Oo nga. Halata ka ba?
So you just prepare. Parang hindi ko makita. You just submit another one. You cannot do anything
Ay,
about it. I cannot do anything about it kasi hindi ko na alam kung parang nawala yun.
Baka ninakaw.
Kung talagang nagsabit kayo. Hindi ko alam. So mamaya, titignan ko ulit yung mga bundles. Baka merong naipit or what.
Ninakaw yan.
Ano ba ito? Okay lang. At akin na okay na yun.
Kaya ayoko din ng
So,
papel.
huwag na natin masyado. Do not let us not tell so much of that kasi we have, we have review to make and also graded recitation. So,
You're so beautiful. Beautiful.
nakita ko dito, walang recitation. So, ngayon, attendance,
Kami-
ilang preset lang tayo nag-meet. 1, 2. Asynchronous because of the typhoon, because of the series of typhoons. And then we have asynchronous again. Face-to-face. Yung face-to-face, kaya wala ito kasi I checked the attendance of the seat plan. Everybody was present. Kaya
Kalakapsa.
ito, lahat ng nandito. Maliban doon sa Blanco ay present. Kay
Okay.
Ortiz at saka kay Salivio. I do not know if they will be coming, Mr. Salivio, Arben John. Inatuwa. Pero si Ortiz, wala talaga. Ortiz, Alessandra, Nicole. Okay. Tapos si Aguleda, inayos ko kasi nakalagay dun sa
Thank you, Richard.
1168. Yung pala, ang iyong ID ay 1169.
Bubo naman. Di
Kaya
kaya ang ID
inayos
mo.
ko pa yun. Ano ko ba yung inayos ko dito?
Ano
May
ba?
inayos ako. Si Guwan, hindi pala si
Alam niyo may
K
kaklase kaming basketball player.
with a K.
6'5".
Inayos ko
6'5"
yung mga
6'4". Oo. Si Guwan.
si
Pangalan niya
Cristal,
Guwan.
Cristal Angelique Bea. Okay. Oh, now let us proceed. So the content of the example, you know, the exam, the
I need a pen.
exam that I have made is a combination of
Alright, I'm gonna type
easy,
it.
average, and difficult items. Ganon. Ganon naman talaga. That is the way you make it as paper. Some items will be easy. Some items are average and some items are difficult. So there might be some items which are difficult because you were not able to review. Yun yun.
Uy,
So,
grabe ka.
ang dinagdag ko lang doon sa inyong review ay yung etiquette. Etiquette lang. So, lahat
Etiquette
yun
lang?
ay kasama.
Lang.
Lahat yun.
Ano?
Kasama rin.
Essay?
Tandaan nyo, kung mga ito, basahin nyo ha, what did Plato, yung mga philosophers doon sa ethics.
Ayoko ng philosopher.
Kasama yun. Si Plato, si Aristotle, at saka si Dewey. Kasi we not discuss what they said with you. Dahil
Aristotle.
babasahin nyo eh. Kung ano yung sinabi.
Ano pa nga Aristotle at sino?
Sino ang nagsabi? Sinong philosopher ang nagsabi dito? Kung pipiliin nyo, sinong
Sino
philosopher
nga
ang
Aristotle?
nagsabi dito about
Plato.
communications? Ganon. Okay, so now let us
Ano,
begin.
Descartes?
Let us begin with the elements of communication. We say that ito ang checking attendance and recitation at the same time. Hindi na ako mag-raise na lang ng hand dun sa, is there anybody who would like to answer the question? Raise your
Excuse.
hand. Pero I will not ask the question yet. You have to raise your hand. Taas mo na kasi ang dami nagtataas ng kamay. Natataranta na ako dito sa dami na nakaraise na hand. Iba, mga siyam.
Ikaw naman hindi ka
So,
nagtanong
ngayon,
kung ayaw masagot.
Tatawag muna ako. Mag-raise mo na kayo hand bago kayo sasagot. Pag hindi nyo alam ang sagot, that is the time I will call another one. Yung somebody will help.
Ako na lang,
But
kaya
I
hindi
will
ko
not
alam.
give them the first one to grade. Pag nakasagot na
Uy,
siya,
nare-reveal dito kung paano ko sumagot ang buhay. Nakakaibig.
Bibigyan kita ng mababang grade. Hindi ganon. Alright, so our subject, remember, and keep in mind, that your subject with me is purposive communication. And the course code is GE004. Tandaan nyo ha, kasi hindi nilalagyan sa harap kung anong subject. Then some students do not even know the title of the subject that they are,
Ano?
in. Kaya nga, yes, Ms. Kaparubian,
GE
anything
what?
you would like to say? So can you hear me? Baka wala na naman akong sound. I keep on talking. Ikaw,
We hear you po.
where is, okay. Kasi kuminsan nagkakaroon ng
Recitation yun. Nakakainis.
There are 40 students in this
40-37 na kami.
room.
Ano yung code? GE ano? Makinig kasi kayo.
Hindi ka
Ay.
club. 40, but then,
Hala, nagpuputol-putol siya.
what?
Hala, why is it? Hold on. Walan ata ko ng net.
Pagbutin niya yung exam niya. Okay, now, anyone who would like to answer my question? Ganun na lang. Raise your hand. Or will I call somebody? Okay, Miss Tena. What is it? Communication is different from purposive communication. When you say communication, it is in general, you define it as let us say, it is a transfer of information from one person to another, or it is what we call exchange of ideas or feelings from one person to another. That is communication in general. Why is it that we have our purposive communication? Why do we say so this communication is purposive? Bakit purposive?
Ma'am,
Okay,
when,
let's see, Miss Tena.
ma'am, when we say, naririnig po ba ako, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay po. When we say po purposive communication sa let's say purposive itself, so you have a goal or you have some purpose on that other person that you
Okay,
are
very
communicating.
good.
Thank you po.
Very well said. Very well said. Thank you, Miss Tena. Very well. Because I heard the word. When you say purposive